In this video, we're looking at how to make bad audio better in Adobe Premiere Pro. So we want to take our audio to our timeline. Here it is. And then we want to go to our Essential Sound panel. If you can't find it, it's up here in Window, Show Essential Sound. When we have done that, we will go into our panel, and depending on what type of audio you have, we have different tags that we can choose from. So if it's someone speaking, we press dialogue, go up to the preset, and I would recommend trying the podcast voice first. This will automatically put on a bunch of presets to make it sound better. You can also reduce the noise and dehum it. So try these things out a little bit and see how much better it can get for you. If you want to choose something else, you go up here and press clear audio type. You can then try something else, perhaps music. Go up to the preset again and you can choose, well, maybe balanced background music will make it sound way better. And you can play around with these and try to find what suits your audio, but this is the general way to make your audio way better with Adobe Premiere. Thank you for watching this one, guys. Leave a like if it helped, and I'll see you in the next one.